Hi, kindergartners, it's math time again. Today's math lesson, we are going to learn about partners of seven. We're going to do some addition facts, and that's going to be it. So it's going to be a short lesson today. And if you look at the first page that I have up on my board, I think you're going to notice it's also going to be a review of what we did the last lesson. So I don't have too much to teach you today. So what I need you to do is I need you to get your math book. I need you to turn to page 349. So if you have to do that, pause the video, come back with a pencil and your math book and turn to page 349. Okay, instead of partners of 10, we are going to be looking at partners of 7. And as you can see right here, they started off with the circles, and they have colored circles, and then they have white circles, or circles that are not colored in. So if we look, we have one green circle. Then what do we have? 2, 3, 4. I think our pattern is the same with it like it was for the partners of 10. We are adding one more green circle every time. So it's one green circle, two green circles. That's why I wrote down number 2. And then if we look at the white circles, what's happening to the number? 6, 5, 4, 3. It's counting down by 1, so we're subtracting 1. So every time we add a green circle, we take a white circle away. So if we look, the first one is there's one green, so I wrote number 1, and then we count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 6 white circles. We're going to look at problem number 2, and we're going to do a few problems together. So make sure you have your pencil ready. Okay, what's different about problem 1 and problem 2? See something different. It's the shape. If you look, the top, problem number 1, they all are circles. What shape is problem number 2? Say it loud. You're right, it's triangles. So boys and girls, let's look at the triangles. How many purple triangles do we see? We see one purple triangle, so what are we going to write? You're right, we're going to write the number 1. And then we're going to count the white ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 white ones, so we're going to write the number 6. Let's look at the next one. If we know we add one more, so instead of 1, we have 2 purple. So I write the number 2, so you write the number 2 with me. And let's count the white ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make a number 5. There we go. Now we have 5 white circles. So we have one partner of 7 is 1 and 6 equals 7. Also, 2 plus 5 equals 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. These are all partners of 7. All right, so now we're going to go to the next page. So if you flip over your math sheet, you're going to see that you have addition problems that you need to work on. So before you work on your addition problems, I'm going to do 2 practice ones to just give you some strategies to help you solve these problems. The first one we have is 1 plus 2. So you can do actually 3 things. Some of you might just know how to add on. 2 and 1 more gives us 3. Some of you might not. So what you have to do is you might need to draw your circles underneath. So you draw 1 circle, put your break apart, and then you draw 2 circles. And then you count all the circles together. 1, 2, 3, and I write the number 3. Now, if you don't want to write circles and you want to use your fingers, you can. So you hold up your fingers. You have 1 finger, and then you need to add 2 more. Don't just go, oh, I have 2 fingers, because that's not right. You have to add 2 more fingers. So watch. 1 finger, and then I add 2 more. 1, 2. Now I have to count my fingers. 1, 2, 3. And I get the same numbers I got when I drew my circles, and the same number when I knew it in my head. All right, here's another problem. This one's got a higher number, 6 plus 2. So we can do the same 3 strategies. You might know what 6 plus 2 is. You might need to draw the circles underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Break apart. 2 more. 1, 2. And then you count all your circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your answer is 8. You can also use your fingers. So I'd have to hold up. See if I can find it. Here we go. 6 fingers. I have 6 fingers up. How many more do I need to add? 2 more. So I go 1, 2, and then I count my fingers. 5 and 3 equals 8. Or sorry, yeah, 5. 5 and 3 equals 8. So you can use your fingers, draw circles, or know it in your head. So boys and girls, I want your parents to check the front and the back of your sheet when you're done. And I will see you next time. Bye.